Hey friends, this is Atif of your Val and welcome to the new update on Siacoin. As in my so many previous videos, I was showing you that Siacoin broke out a very big long-term down channel on the 7 days time frame chart, and after that it was stuck inside in another down channel on the daily time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that a few weeks ago we have broken out this next smaller down channel. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for several weeks or months it has been moving inside this channel, and a few weeks ago, we had broken out the resistance but could not break out this long-term resistance of $0.0057. And you can see that for the past several weeks, it is breaking at a very, very strong resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $0.0057 has been previously breaking as a resistance here for a few weeks. And for a few weeks, it has been breaking at the resistance here as well. And here as a support. And now for the past several weeks or months, it is breaking at the resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term down channel that is happening here on the 7-day time frame chart. And after the breakout, you can see that the price is still moving above this very long-term uptrend line support as well. And in today's video, we will also analyze this breakout from this channel and this uptrend, a quite long-term uptrend line support as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of October 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for banana, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 22nd of October 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade signal as well, like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Siacoin. And this is the weekly time frame chart. First of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that since after the month of Feb 2024, it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel. And after testing this quite long-term uptrend line support, the price then geared up and broke out the resistance of this channel. Now we need to break out this very strong and long-term resistance of $0.0057. You can see that for the past several weeks, it is breaking at a very, very strong resistance. And then I'm expecting that soon it can also hit the target for the breakout from this channel. And here you can see that we also have a quite long-term uptrend line support, and the price line is still moving very close to this uptrend line support. This support is, by the way, coming from the month of November 2022. You can see that we had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, several touch points here, then we had a massive pump, and then we had another bounce here, another bounce here. And if the price then will be moved down again, then it can test this support, a quite long-term support of $0.004, along with this uptrend line, a very long-term uptrend line support at the same time. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at 1.4 cents. And over there, we have another quite long-term resistance, because this 1.4 cents has been previously working as a support here, and for a few weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, it has been working as a resistance here and resistance here, and again it worked as a very, very strong resistance. You can see that despite this long spike, the price then could not break out this resistance of 1.4 cents. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel is here at the top of the channel. That can be somewhere between 6.5 cents to 7 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.